Hey guys, so I'm actually going to show you how to build a website from scratch. And you don't have to have any experience really to do this. Um, and if you want like a good looking website, I would recommend doing it this way because most agencies that you hire are going to do this. Unless you have a huge or a bigger budget, they won't actually build it from designs like from the ground up. They'll use a theme. And I'll walk you through it, but basically they'll use a pre-built theme, edit it to what you need, and then they will deploy that website. So I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. So first things first, go to ThemeForest.net. It's definitely one of my go-to websites for looking for themes. I built websites for friends and some companies that have lower budgets, but this is what I do. I'm going to literally walk you through every step. So first things first, I use WordPress. So I'm going to click on WordPress and start looking for something that fits my needs. What I recommend is go on WordPress and then kind of look for whatever specific category you're looking for. For example, for mine, I'm looking for technology. I want an app website. I just want like a landing page for an app, and it's actually one of my apps, but I want to create a landing page for it. So let me see. And the cool thing is this. So right now I clicked on technology. You can also type in mobile app landing page. And then you're going to see everything. What I recommend right now, it says best match. I recommend you click on best sellers or best rated. Best rated is not always the most accurate. Best sellers, usually these sellers sell a lot and therefore they maintain their themes. They release updates. So if you're looking for someone like a reliable theme that's going to work for a long time, I recommend clicking on best sellers. And then you can see here, there's categories, there's price points. You're probably going to pay anywhere less than $100 for the theme. Realistically, like 40, 50 bucks. And you can actually use any type of builder. So for example, I love Elementor on WordPress. So I'm going to click on Elementor, but you can use any of these. You can even use like the, just the normal WordPress one. But anyway, I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to look at Elementor. Now you can click on any of these and it'll open another screen. So then you click on demos. You can actually see the pre-built websites. It's either a one page where everything is a one page or multi-page like home, about us, etc. So let's take a look. It's okay. It's pretty clean. Not bad. The only thing to keep in mind is that if you buy a theme like these, all of this is one image. So you're going to have to, it looks really, really good. But the problem here is that once you take a screenshot of your app, you then have to kind of design it like this so that it looks nice and it matches like the website. So just be careful with that. If you buy a theme, make sure it's a very simple theme or one that doesn't have, look at this image. It has so much design. You're going to have to hire someone to do a design like that. So just keep that in mind whenever you're choosing a website. So for this one, I probably wouldn't choose it just because of that. I want something simpler. And actually, this is one I found earlier. So I'm just going to search it on here. So this is Brisk. Oh, it's right here. So just so you guys, before I go into detail, if you ever have doubts about anything, you can scroll here, Elite Author. It's compatible with Elementor. It'll tell you what theme builders it's compatible with. Since it's WordPress, Elementor. So that's what I like seeing. And then I'm going to go here, look at the demos. And then these are very basic. They're not bad. But this one, even though it's basic, it pretty much has everything I need. I want to keep it simple. I like the coloring. I think this is very basic. Like the screen and the image, so I can just take a screenshot of my app and put it here, and then so people download. The only thing I would do probably is add, right now it has an Apple Store. I'll probably add Google Play because my app also has Google Play. I'll probably just change these to like fun facts, and then more screens. And I might remove this, but you get the point. It's a basic website. I like it, but they have so many others. So if you ever buy this theme and in the future want to change it, you can, and you don't have to pay again because you can just download the demo data or like the demo. So I'll show you how to do that in a second. Let me see. So for example, let's look at another one. Let's look at, say you're a service company, like you're a moving company, and you like this. It's not bad. I've actually used Brisk before, and I can't remember for which one. They have ebooks, digital products, insurance, financial, technology, business consulting. Oh, I think I did business consulting. I really liked it. It was actually easy to edit, easy to work with. You can click around the demo, see what it looks like. And look, here, what I love about Brisk is that this design looks amazing. But if you look, it's only this, like, this image. If you want to add, or you want to change this, all you have to do is add an image with a clear background, and the back, like the red, is going to stay there. So I like how they thought about that, because most users don't know how to edit stuff like that. Like, they're not graphic designers or whatever. So this is a really good theme that I recommend because it just, everything's already included. So I'm going to start doing it. So anyway, let's open up. I use SiteGround, and I'll link my my referral code on the video just in case you want to use it. I recommend it. I've never had a bad experience with SiteGround. In fact, their customer service, one of the reasons why I chose them is their customer service is insane. They're so good. So let's see. So I'm going to do a temporary domain right now, which you can do a new domain where you buy a domain, an existing domain. If you already own the URL, you just connect it, or temporary domain. In this case, I'm just going to do this. Just to show you guys. And then I'm going to put start a new website. I just want WordPress. So for here, I just put my email. And then, I don't know. Just a password. And then no thank you. That's for security. You don't really need it. So now SiteGround is creating the website. Now, keep in mind, I've used so many website builders. I've used WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. Gosh, what else is there? There's so many out there, but I've used pretty much every single one of them. And I will tell you, the best one by far is WordPress. Now, hosting companies, there's AWS, there's, gosh, I forget all the names now. AWS, GoDaddy, Namecheap. There's so many web hosting companies, and I would recommend just go with SiteGround. SiteGround has the best customer service. If you ever need help, no matter what time it is, it could be 4 a.m. and you can just click here, click View Help Center, and then you can contact them, and it's a live chat. No one else has been able to provide that. I think only one actually, but it was on and off. They always had issues with their website. SiteGround never has issues, and that's what I love about them. I have over, gosh, I think 74 websites I've built on here. Oh yeah, so this is number 74. So there's so many on here, and I have I think I have their cloud server package, which I love it. I've never had any issues. So anyway, while this loads, I'm gonna go back here because I already bought this theme. So you can just buy it, and then once you buy it, you can download the code. So I'm gonna show you what you have to do. So for this example, let's look at Brisk, since I already bought it, and I'm gonna download. I click on installable WordPress file only. That's all you want to download for right now. And then open the text file. And once you open it, one second. Once you open the text file, you want to just copy the item purchase code. I'm not sure which one is the one that's available. I'm pretty sure I'm not using all three, so I'll just try all of them. But let's see. So SiteGround's still creating the website. Usually they don't take this long, but let's see. In the meantime, oh, I'm on the wrong one. Did I open another one? One second, guys. Let's figure this out. Oh, there we go. So this is the website that I created with temporary domain. So now SiteGround has this WordPress starter. I recommend you just exit it. You don't really need this. In fact, sometimes these cause conflicts. So what you do, so sorry, I'm going so fast. I need to explain. So anyway, the first thing is, this is your WordPress website, and this is the backend. So only you as an administrator can see this. You got the dashboard, the posts. So it is like all the blogs, the media. So if you have pictures or videos, they're added here. Pages, all the like the homepage, about us, contact us, all of them will be here. Comments, appearance, and this is actually where we need to go after. But before, if you're following me, I would recommend disabling all the SiteGround. Deactivate. You first have to deactivate them before you can actually, and I'll just deactivate them. I won't delete them because I might need them in a little bit. But anyway, so now we did that. We deactivated all the plugins. Now we go to themes. You can actually delete these. These are free themes by WordPress, but sometimes they try and upcharge you or sell you the plan, and they're not really all like they're not as good as the ones that we just bought. So anyway, let's go here. This is a ThemeForest. So it's a zip file. So just so you guys know, let me go back just to explain. So just so you guys know, when you get this file, or let me go back. So this is the theme I bought, the Brisk, the app website, app landing page. So then you click on download, and this installable WordPress file only. You want to download this. Once you download that, once your web page is up and running like this, you go to appearance, themes, upload theme, and you're not going to see this look. If you click on themes, you got to click up here. I already installed it, so I'm going to delete. Oh, before I delete it, I got to activate it. So I already installed it. I'm just going to delete this one quickly because that's not my theme. So now I only have the theme I'm using. So now it says this theme requires the following plugins, blah, blah. So click begin installing plugins. Then select all right here and then click install and then apply. So now it's downloading all the plugins that this company used to create this theme. So basically what plugins mean is you can have plugins like form plugins, Google Analytics plugins, and there's different plugins. Basically, since WordPress is open source, anyone can create plugins. And I actually just created 2 different plugins that we're going to launch pretty soon. So one is for SEO, and the other one is for GivingX. And let me see. So this is loading. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I guess it's loading. It shouldn't take this long. So I'm going to click on appearance, plugins. Yeah. Oh, my bad. I forgot to install. Actually, it should be part of this. All right, there we go. So this is Elementor. You can just click skip. Elementor is the theme or the website builder that we're using within WordPress. And you can just go back. If you ever go into like a screen like this and don't know what to do, all you have to do is just delete this, keep the website, wp-admin, and then just click enter. It'll take you back to this main part. So anyway, now you click on begin installing plugins. Since it's still not installed, these install. I don't know what's going on that it's taking forever. I'm just gonna do it manually. And now one more. Okay, so I guess if it's not working as fast for you, just do it one by one. So you go to plugins. Now you make sure, so there's Elementor, Elementor Pack Pro, which is part of Brisk. And these 4 are part of Brisk, the theme that we just bought. So these are the ones I deactivated. Cool. So now let's change the website name to reflect basically the app that I'm gonna, or the website landing page for the app I'm building. Or I already built, but. So it's called Catholic Connect. And I'm keeping it very basic, but now we go to Brisk. Now you have to activate the theme. So you click on activate your theme and then connect. Oh, I guess you can just sign in with Envato. Nice. 1 second. So this one is available. It basically looks at all the themes that you bought. So I bought 3 Brisk themes for probably friends' websites and just hobby websites that I like doing. Cool, so now your theme is now activated. So I pretty much can check for updates. So let's go ahead. I'm already using the latest updates. And now I forget where this was. Let's find out. So now you look for import. No. Brisk. Oh, the demo import. So every theme has demo import somewhere. And sometimes they're in different places, sometimes in settings. Brisk is right here. So you go to run demo import. And then this is the one I liked. So I'm going to click. You can look at all of them. You can look at the preview. So like, for example, if you just want to preview it to see if you like it. I know I like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and import this. So I want everything. Yep. Run demo import. So now just let it load. There we go. So now I go on view site. So now this is the website. It's literally that easy. So now I have the website. And now really we have to just edit the front end. So keep in mind, I'm using the free version of Elementor. I have the pro version obviously, but for this example, I'm just using the free one. Just so you guys see that you don't need to buy anything except a host, well, the domain and your hosting. And SiteGround offers really good pricing for hosting. So anyway, so for the title, this H1 title. So let me just make sure. Let me see. So I'm just gonna put. I don't know if I should. You can just edit anything. So get the Catholic Connect app. I'm actually going to put Houston IT Developers LLC. This is my software development company, so why not? Houston IT Developers.com. This image you can easily change. So if you have an image, or if you want to change any image, you just click on the image. So first of all, make sure that you're in Elementor. What I mean is this. Give me a second. Let me show you. Let me just go back so I can show you. So right here, a lot of people are like, well, I can't edit this. Well, before you edit, if you want to edit anything on Elementor, you have to click Edit with Elementor. And what that does is lets me edit this page. If I want to add or edit About Us, then I go to About Us and then click Edit with Elementor. So for this example, I'm going to go back to the home page, click Edit with Elementor. I don't have the exact image screenshot I'm going to use for my app, but I'm just going to copy and paste it here once I have it. Now, I wish Brisk gave you or put hard-coded the outline of the phone so you can just upload a screenshot. It's fine, I can do it, but now I have to take a screenshot and then add like the phone layout also behind it, which is easy. I think Canva lets you do it. So now, like I said, download on App Store. I also want to have Google Play Store, so I'm just gonna add Google Play Store here, and you can just select, like, for example, Google Play Store. Oh, I don't know what just happened. Let's see. Oh, maybe I clicked something. I want to use this one, so I'm just going to put, and there we go. Now I go over here. This is the logo I want to add. So now I just link. So any image that you have, if you want to link it, you see where it says custom URL, you just put the logo, the URL that you want. And now a cool little thing about Elementor, if you click link options, you can put open a new window. So that if they click it, they don't leave this page, it just opens another page with that link. So I like how the animations are already there because I cloned it. Instead of creating a new button or image, I just click duplicate. You right click and then click duplicate. Now if you want to delete it, you can just click here, right click, you can click delete. But now for these, I'll probably just change them later. But I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of how to set up a website. And that's it. It's super easy actually. And then I'm going to go a step further and just make sure if you want to edit like the logo, you have to go back to like the main website and then click on dashboard. There's another way to go to WP-admin and then click on Brisk. Each theme is a little different. So you can change your global colors for the website. So like, you know how they have red? I like it. It's not bad. My brand is more like purple. So I probably have to edit this a little bit, but let me check. So it's 1 second. And then if you want to change the buttons, you can do that. But yeah, anything branding, you can change it here. So for example, the logo, the primary logo would be here. If you want to change it, just upload your logo and it'll change. And then just make sure you save it. But that's it. It's as easy as that to create a website. And obviously I used a temporary domain, but you can use a normal domain. And yeah, it's the same thing. I hope that helped you guys. And if you guys need any help, just comment on the video and I'll try and help out.